Having one of the best air fryers in your kitchen makes getting dinner together so much easier. Not only are they fairly inexpensive, but they save time, don't require too much space in the kitchen, and can help you create healthier meals, especially if you often cooked with oil. If you're new to air fryers, just know that they don't actually fry anything. They're convection ovens that use a fan to not only heat up quickly, but circulate the hot air for even cooking results. They also require 20% less time and temperature to cook the same recipe as a traditional oven. On top of that, many models have multiple presets for even more functionality, so you can also bake, dehydrate, broil, and more. Some air fryers even have 2 baskets so you can cook 2 different foods at 2 different temperatures at once. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 air fryers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Ultenic K10 Smart Air Fryer. If you're yet to ever own an air fryer, a little nervous to try out a new appliances and slash, or are conscious about spending money, the Ultenic K10 is a good one to consider. During our review, we couldn't fault the food we cooked in it. With features such as keep warm, automatic preheat, as well as a reminder to shake foods, there's certainly nothing lacking from the control panel, even with the wallet-friendly price tag. It isn't able to perform any other feature other than air fry, but the app and 11 presets will make it a really easy to use and nice addition to the kitchen countertop. A particular feature we loved is that there's a little beep halfway through select cooking modes to remind you to shake the foods. You won't be able to cook 2 food types at the same time, though, and the controls are on the top, so placing it on a high counter may not be the best position for it. The Ultenic K10 is a reasonably priced, medium-sized air fryer from a little-known brand. It proved to be a great air fryer in our tests, making delicious fries and chicken wings. Plus, if you're an air fryer newbie, there are plenty of auto programs for guidance on time and temperature settings, as well as a recipe book included. What's more, gadget lovers will enjoy the accompanying app that allows you to control the air fryer from the sofa. Number 4. Cuisinart Toa 60 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The best air fryer toaster oven. While most choices on this list are basket fryers, this offering from Cuisinart raises the bar with its mini oven or oven toaster design. The Cuisinart Toa 60 Air Fryer Mini Oven is a little more expensive than the others, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck as it offers every cooking function you could need. It doesn't just air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. It also convection bakes, convection broils, bakes, and toasts. And we found it to be a powerful air fryer whose 7 functions performed well during testing. Just bear in mind that, as in our experience, it takes a bit of tweaking and guesswork to get cooking times and temperatures right. Finally, while the air frying function doesn't make full use of its generous capacity, its spacious interior does grant more real estate to spread out your food while cooking. Plus, as it's several cooking appliances in one, you're also saving counter space. The Cuisinart Toa 60 Air Fryer Toaster Oven offers something a little different from the competition, with 7 cooking functions including air frying. It's more mini oven than air fryer by design, even down to its aesthetic and analog controls, which, while quirky, might not be to everyone's taste. You lose some of the value-adding features found in dedicated air fryers, such as shake timers and air frying presets. Nevertheless, in our tests, we achieved crispy, delicious air-fried chicken wings and golden fries, as well as some great results using the other settings too. Number 3. Drio Chefmaker. The best money, no object. We're almost done with our testing and review of the Drio Chefmaker, and we can already attest to its cooking prowess and its ability to deliver moist on the inside and crispy on the outside results. That's due to the fact that this air fryer is able to cook more precisely than many others. While it's missing a lot of the usual presets, at least without app support, it offers Chef Mode, Classic Cook, and Pro Cook, so that you can either fine-tune the cooking experience, set it and forget it, or have the Chefmaker cook your food until its internal temperature is right where you want it. thanks to a nifty probe like a food thermometer that's included in the box. The transparent glass basket is also a nice addition, as you can keep visual tabs on your food without pulling the basket out. We also appreciate the fact that the components are dishwasher safe, and the water atomization and superconvection seem like buzzwords that Drio applies here, make no mistake. This is a powerful, if pricey, air fryer. Number 2. Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501. The best budget air fryer. If you want a budget-friendly air fryer that's as stylish as it is effective, then the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is worth considering. Unlike any of the air fryers we've tested previously, the LED and touch control panel is located on the glossy top of this kitchen gadget, creating a streamlined look. On test, we found the air fryer produced crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy potato inside and succulent, juicy chicken wings. However, it struggled to evenly brown foods, so we found ourselves tweaking cooking times, and it wasn't effective when cooking frozen foods either. The air fryer features 7 presets with predefined temperature and cooking durations for different foods such as chicken, bacon, and vegetables. These can be activated by pressing the touch controls on the top of the air fryer, which also allows you to adjust the temperature and cooking time so foods are cooked to your liking. It has 7 presets for dishes such as bacon, seafood, and cake. It also has a reminder to shake, which can be activated when setting the cooking time that will alert you halfway through cooking so you can turn the food to achieve an even crisp. The Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is a sleek air fryer that cooks crisp fries and crunchy but succulent chicken wings. Simple to use, we did need to experiment with cooking times to achieve an evenly browned finish, but the L501 is compact and easy to use, making it worthy of consideration. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 with Clear Cook and Odor Erase. The best air fryer overall. The brand behind the iconic Instant Pot also makes air fryers, and its top-of-the-range model consistently turned out the crispiest fries and chicken wings of any air fryers we tested. In our testing, the fries had crisp exteriors but soft, fluffy insides, and the chicken was moist, while its skin was crispy and retained loads of flavor. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer with Clear Cook and Odor Erase builds on the previous iteration, the Instant Vortex Plus, with a plastic window in the basket and a light that lets you keep an eye on food while it's cooking, and has a built-in filter to reduce smells too. However, it doesn't come with any cooking charts, which means you will need to spend time experimenting to achieve the right cooking duration and temperature, particularly when it comes to frozen food. We also found the crisper plate falls out if the basket is tipped up too much when removing food, and the display suffers from fingerprint marks. However, these are minor gripes on what is in our eyes, the best air fryer on the market right now.